This is Danish. He's a high school student with a lot of problems. And his biggest problem is that he wants to dress differently every day, but he only has 5 shirts and 4 trousers. Actually, he can wear 20 different outfits from these clothes by using permutations and combinations.
Danish's problem is solved, but what are permutations and combinations? Permutations is the number of ways some objects can be arranged where their order matters. Let's look at an example.
We have 5 cars. In how many different ways can we park them? For the first parking, we have 5 options available. For the second parking, we have 4 options left because one car has already been parked. Then we have 3 options, 2 options and 1 option. So the total number of ways of parking 5 cars is 120. We can write this long expression like this. It is not an exclamation mark, it is called a factorial. A factorial is basically the product of all the whole numbers from the given number to 1. For example, 4 factorial is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So, to find out the number of ways to arrange n objects, we use the formula n factorial. But what if we only had 3 parkings available? Well, when we had all 5 parkings available, the expression was this. But now we don't have 2 parkings, so we have to remove the 2 and 1. We can do it by dividing the expression by 2 times 1 and we get 60 ways. But what is this part equal to? 5 factorial, and 2 times 1 can be written as 2 factorial. And this is the formula of permutations. NPR, the number of ways of arranging R out of n objects, is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial. In our example, parking 3 out of 5 cars is 5 to 3. That is equal to 5 factorial over 5 minus 3 factorial, that is equal to 60 ways. But what if instead of being parked, the cars were selected for a race? In that case, their order doesn't matter because they all are at the same starting line. What matters is which cars are selected for the race. This is what combinations are. Combinations are just the number of ways we can select some objects regardless of their order. In simple words, combinations are just permutations without order. So, to calculate the number of combinations, we just calculate the total permutations and divide them by the total arrangements of the selected objects. And we know that NPR can also be written as this. And we get the combinations formula. NCR is equal to n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial.
Now you know what permutations and combinations are, so good luck using them to solve your problems.